Nestled in a forest shaped by wind and sea air, this 2,500-square-foot beach house establishes a connection between the drama of the nearby ocean and the sense of refuge provided by the trees. Located on the westernmost edge of Vancouver Island, Tofino is one of Canada's most popular recreational destinations, where extreme weather conditions draw surfers and storm watchers year-round. Composed primarily of a large open-concept space, Tofino Beach House is bathed in natural light on its south-facing side, which opens to the sea, while the opposite side is more introspective and protected. Glass walls open the living area to panoramic views of the forest and ocean, while two fireplaces, positioned at opposite ends, anchor the space and enhance the sense of warmth and shelter. The design did not seek to frame a single focal point, but rather to capture a panoramic perspective of the ocean beyond. The house was designed to cantilever over its base, creating space for ferns and coastal shrubs to grow beneath the glass flooring that wraps around the main living area, evoking the sensation of floating above the forest floor. The warm, natural tones of the interior were inspired by Tofino's coastal vegetation and contrast with striking pieces from the owner's contemporary art collection. Artworks were integrated into the home's design, with fireplace walls specially designed to accommodate paintings by Sam Francis and Diego Singh. A collection of furniture pieces designed by Jim Olson specifically for this house, including a walnut sofa built into the base of one of the fireplaces, completes the interior environment. Tight-knot cedar ceilings in the living area and walnut cabinetry in the open kitchen create a sense of warmth and continuity, which extends into the back bedroom, clad in dark teak. A near-continuous clerestory window above the social area required a structural system for the cantilevered roof, which is supported solely by the two fireplaces positioned at the ends of the living space. From the bedroom, views of an elevated deck and a long reflecting pool establish a second visual connection between water and forest. There are no columns or internal structural elements obstructing the view, making the space feel like a vast open environment, almost as if being outdoors, with two cozy fireplaces anchoring each end. This structural concept makes the roof appear to float above the house, which in turn resembles a glass vessel gliding over a sea of greenery.